This is NECO 2021 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 4B, and the question says you have to solve the equation 2 over 3 into 3x plus 2 equals to 3 over 4 into 2x minus 3. This is the equation that you asked to solve. So let's attempt to answer this very question to get a solution to the problem, copying the given equation, that is 2 over 3 into 3x plus 2 equals to 3 over 4 into 2x minus 3. So what we need to do first is to clear this very fraction. To clear the fraction is to look at the LCM of the denominators. Use that LCM, multiply both sides by the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So now multiply both sides of this very equation by 12. So you're now going to have 2 over 3 into 3x plus 2, which I just copied the left hand side, multiplied by 12, equals to 3 over 4 into 2x minus 3, which is my right hand side, which I just copied. That right hand side also multiplied by 12. So you can see 3, this denominator in this to 12 will now be 4. 4 times this 2 will give answer 8. So you now have 8 into 3x plus 2 by the left. The 4 here at the denominator level, use it to divide 12. That will give answer 3. 3 times this 3, that will give answer 9. So you now have 9 times the bracket, which is 2x minus 3. This is my right hand side. So next is to expand the two brackets. That is 8 multiplied by 3x, 8 multiplied by 2. That gives answer 24x plus 16. 9 times 2x, that gives answer 18x. 9 times minus 3, that gives answer minus 27. So collecting like terms, all in x by the left and constant numbers by the right, you now have 24x minus 18x equals to minus 27 minus 16. So 24x minus 18x, that gives answer 6x, and minus 27 minus 16, that gives answer minus 43. So to get x, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6. That will leave you with x by the left equals to minus 43 all over 6 by the right. To minus 43 all over 6 give answer minus 7 whole number 1 over 6. This will now be the value of x. And that answered the question. So let me just share with you quickly the mark distribution for this very question as it is there in the marking scheme. The very first mark is method 1 mark, and this method 1 mark is for your correct attempt to clear the fraction. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 12, you have this method 1 mark. When you now expanded the bracket after clearing the fraction and you now expand this bracket, you have method 1 mark. Next mark is solving this up to the end where you divided both sides by 6. You have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the value of x as minus 7 whole number 1 over 6 correctly, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, if everything is done correct in this very question, you have 4 good marks.